Hi, I'm Julie Brumbelow, a technical director at Shaw Industries. When you need to prepare a concrete surface for a coating, generally that calls for dusty, loud bead blasting and heavy equipment. We thought there has to be a better way, and now there is. Surface Prep EXT eliminates the need for bead blasting, opens the pores of the concrete for coatings, and etches a concrete surface profile between 1 and 3, as well as reducing the pH to 8 or 9. And yet, it has low VOC emissions, and it cleans up with water. Best of all, it works in just a few hours. Only one 4-gallon pail will cover 900 square feet. Essentially, we're going to clean, apply, work in, wait, and remove. First, let's set the stage for your conditions. Store and apply Surface Prep EXT at above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The room must be well ventilated, or you can use a painter's mask. Then prepare the floor by removing glues, skim coats, epoxies, or paint down to the bare concrete. Remove loose debris by sweeping, vacuuming, or pressure washing. If you are pressure washing, allow the surface to dry. Protect surfaces that are not to be treated with plastic or paper. If there is an overspray, clean surfaces immediately with a damp cloth or sponge. Gather the materials you will need. Surface Prep will bleach out clothes and shoes, so be sure to wear appropriate attire. A low-pressure sprayer with a fan-tip nozzle, gloves, protective glasses, a painter's mask, damp cloth or sponge, stiff bristle brush or a walk-behind scrubber, and a scraper. A wet-dry vacuum, pressure washer, plastic for protecting surfaces. Ready? Pour Surface Prep EXT into the sprayer. Spray Surface Prep EXT on the concrete in a back and forth motion, overlapping to ensure an even coverage. Do not allow the product to become a mist or suspended in the air. This means you're not applying it close enough to the concrete to ensure proper coverage. The product will foam as it reacts to the surface. If not, this means you have not removed all paint or epoxy coatings. Remove and reapply. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Using the brush or scrubber, agitate Surface Prep EXT into the concrete surface. To achieve a concrete surface profile of 2 to 3, allow Surface Prep EXT to dwell for 2 hours. For a concrete surface profile of greater than 3, apply a second coat after the first spray and removal. Brush and rinse with water and remove with a wet-dry vacuum. Rinse again because residue may interfere with the application or adhesion of other treatments. Allow the concrete to dry thoroughly. Touch the surface. If the surface is tacky, like a wax, rinse again. Cleanup is simple. Clean with warm water at your sink. If the product has dried, soak the item in warm water for 30 minutes. It is extremely important to flush your sprayer with water thoroughly. Surface Prep will damage the inner workings of the sprayer. Store unused product in the original container for up to 2 years. To dispose of remaining product, add an absorbent to solidify for disposal. Now your concrete is open and ready to receive your coatings. For moisture protection, apply Moisture Shield or Moisture Tech, depending on your conditions. Moisture Shield will handle most problems. Moisture Tech is our toughest moisture barrier for the worst conditions. It also allows you to install flooring only days after a concrete pour. Along the way, if you need any assistance, call us at 1-800-471-7429. We will provide phone assistance or on-site assistance if needed. We are dedicated to bringing you products that will save you time and money, and we want your total satisfaction with our floor covering. Thank you for partnering with us.